One of my favorite things is doing self-care in nature. So today I'm going to take my facial reflexology tool, just work on it with the flow, just to make myself relax. Take a deep breath. And wherever there's a little stuckiness, I'll just stay there for a second, work that point. Nothing too specific that I'm working on today. Maybe lift the eyebrow. But you can watch my other videos with specific healing issues. Go ahead, go out in nature, breathe some fresh air, get some good vitamin D from the sun, and let me know what you like to do in nature most.